Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. We're going to be using Brushos to paint with, along with our multifarious card. We're going to be using the cream today. First of all, I'm going to just dampen down the card a little with some water. So this is my fan brush, and I'm just going to pop a bit of water all over the card. And then taking one of the smaller paint brushes, I'm just going to dip that into the black, and I'm just going to drag that across. And then I'm going to use, this is the Prussian blue. And I'm going to use the lime green as well. And lastly, I'm just going to put a little bit of the yellow at the top here. So you can see how the Brushos have just spread out, and that's just because we've put a water base down at the beginning. Okay. So I'm going to dry that off now. So I just bend that back into shape. So I'm going to be using our Horse and Foal stamp today. This is one of our older stamps, but it's quite a favourite amongst many of our customers. I'm going to ink that up now in the Nocturne. And then we'll just pop that down like so. Just let that rest a while, let that ink soak into the card. Okay, and now we're going to use a couple of the fir trees as well. So this time I'm going to ink up in the Twilight. I'm going to stamp off and then pop that down on this side. And then taking our slightly larger fir tree, I'm going to ink up in the Nocturne this time. And I'm going to pop that by the side there. I think we need just one more tree for this side. Okay, and we shall ink up in the Twilight again. Okay, so I've got a Christmas verse here. May the spirit of Christmas bring you peace, the gladness of Christmas bring you hope, the warmth of Christmas grant you love. So I'm just going to pop that down here. Okay, so I am going to go back to Twilight, ink up, and then we'll just pop that down around about there. And let's just trim that down now. So I've got some acetate here, so I'm just going to bob that down over the top of the horses, just so they're sitting in the sunlight there. And we're going to pick up a little bit of the grey. This is Morning Mist. And I only want a hint of colour. Just want it to be very, very subtle. And now I'm going to go around the edge of the card, and again I'm using the Morning Mist. I'm just working my way all the way around, building up that bit of depth all the way around the edge, and this kind of pulls your eye into the focal point. Lastly, I'm going to paint a little bit more down here just to give it a little bit more depth again, and this is with the black. Let's dry that off. And then lastly, I'm going to use the glue pen, and I'm just going to draw a line over the top of where I've just painted, just a fine line. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the glitter over the top. And it's just giving it a really nice dusting. That little bit of glitter, it just brings it to life. Okay guys, well thanks so much for watching and joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Something a little bit different. I'm just trying to keep it interesting for you and giving you something different to try perhaps. Okay, you take care guys. Bye for now.